I'm going to show you how to create post in ClickUp. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first step is to just open your app and be there, and once you're in the app, you just need to look at the lower bar where you can see multiple options over here, and you just need to tap on chat right over here. So once you're there, at the top you can see options like replies, posts, activity, follow-ups, drafts, and sends. Just go ahead and tap on posts, and now you can see this create post option right over here. Once you tap here, you can add a post title and write down the content. You can either choose the bold font or anything that you want and tap on post. You can also choose it to be an announcement or discussion or idea or update and tap on post. You also need to tap on select chat right over here and choose where you want to post. So let's say I want to post here, tap on done and tap on post. So as you can see, I have successfully created a post in ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below and let us know what sort of videos you would like. We'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.